Another powerful monsoon system from the Bay of Bengal, which is almost 90% identical to the previous system, which caused devastation in Sindh and Balochistan, has entered southern Sindh, shared a Pakistan Meteorological Department (PMD) official. Under the influence of a strong monsoon system that has entered southern Sindh from neighbouring India, different areas of Karachi received light rain and drizzle Thursday night, followed by a dust storm, according to PMD officials, who had forecast proper rains in different areas of the city on Friday with some heavy showers, the news reported. Dust storm followed by light rain and drizzle has been reported from the southern areas of Karachi, including Gulshan-e Hadid and Malur areas, under the influence of a strong monsoon system that is capable of causing moderate to heavy showers in Karachi and its suburbs in the next 2 to 3 days, Chief Meteorological Officer, CMO, Sindh Dr. Sardar Sarfaraz said. Related items: Sindh declares health emergency as Karachi braces itself for another strong rain spell. Incessant rain kills 5 as record-breaking spell sinks Karachi. Weather update: rain likely in Karachi on all 3 days of Eid al-Adha. Gulshan-e Hadid received 5 mm of rain, Orange Town received 3. 9 mm of rain, Nazimabad received 1 mm of rain, and Jinnah Terminal, Masroor Base, and other localities received less than 1 mm of rain Thursday night, according to PMD reports. Weather experts had previously warned that this second monsoon system was nearly 90% identical to the previous one and that it could cause more severe rains in Karachi and other parts of southern Sindh from July 14 to July 18, causing urban flooding and waterlogging in various areas of Karachi as well as Hyderabad, Thada, Badin, and Mirpurkhas. K clarifies facts as torrential rainfall continued to batter the city during Eid days. Different electric shock related incidents were reported in different parts of the city on July 11 and July 12. The K Electric, K, in a press statement, said that in the 7 incidents reported in the city, no broken wire of the K nor any of its poles was found to be involved. Of these cases, 3 were non-fatal. While providing details about these incidents, the K's spokesperson said that at the K they deeply empathize with the bereaved families of the victims and affected people. However, almost all of these incidents occurred for reasons beyond the K's own infrastructure. Of these reported 7 unfortunate cases, 6 do not involve K Electric's infrastructure at all. Whereas in one case, the affected got shocked during an attempt to touch an intact and live height line. As per media reports, 4 incidents took place on July 11. One was in Karachi, in which a man named Ali Shirkhan was electrocuted due to damaged wiring inside a shop. In another unfortunate incident in the garden area, 2 men on a bike received a fatal electric shock from a street light pole. Another fatal incident was reported in Dha Phase 6 in which a gatekeeper named Mehboob was electrocuted via a privately installed spotlight wire hanging on the grill of a house. A non-fatal incident was also reported in the Karachi area in which the victim, named Faraz, received a shock within the premises of a hotel. On July 12, 3 unfortunate incidents involving electric shock were reported. One non-fatal accident occurred in Azizabad, FB area, in which the victim, named Kashif, received an electric shock from the ruptured illegal switch of a street light which he was reportedly trying to switch off. Another incident was reported in Mulajamgath, in which the victim was electrocuted while operating a water pump inside his home. The remaining one non-fatal incident that was reported on July 12 involving 4 miners occurred on the roof of a house which was encroached and compromised the safe distance with electricity right-of-way. The K said that as per the information it received, all miners are safe and out of danger. However, the area is highly encroached, and K Electric has also served a proper notice to residents on May 1, 2022, in this regard. As per initial reports about this incident, the miners reportedly tried to touch an intact height line and received a shock as a result. K Electric's infrastructure on the incident site was found completely intact with proper earthing and grounding. Additionally, on July 11, there was a case that emerged from the North Karachi 11F area, which was initially misreported as electrocution, but later reports indicated that the cause of death was not due to electric shock. The K infrastructure at the reported incident site was found completely intact, and no current leakage was found.